Have you ever wondered why smart people make bad decisions? The answer might lie in something called groupthink. Imagine a team pushing forward, ignoring warning signs, simply to maintain harmony. That's groupthink at work. Groupthink is a psychological phenomenon where group harmony overrides critical thinking. Individuals go along with the group consensus, even if it leads to poor decisions. The term was introduced by psychologist Irving Janis in 1972. Janis studied historical events to develop his model of groupthink. He focused on cases like the Bay of Pigs invasion and the Pearl Harbor attack. From his research, he found triggers, symptoms, and consequences of groupthink. Certain conditions make groupthink more likely. Highly cohesive groups are at greater risk. Groups insulated from outside opinions also experience this. When a leader expresses a strong preference, that can lead to groupthink. High-stress situations and a lack of proper decision-making procedures add to the problem. Janis identified 8 symptoms of groupthink that warn us of its prevalence. First is the illusion of invulnerability. Members feel overly optimistic and ignore obvious risks. Then there's collective rationalization, where warnings are dismissed. Next, members develop an unquestioned belief in their own morality. They assume all decisions are morally right. Stereotyped views of outsiders often emerge. Opponents may be seen as evil or inadequate. Direct pressure on dissenters occurs too. Anyone questioning the group faces pressure to conform. Self-censorship happens when members hide their doubts. Silence can falsely indicate agreement, creating an illusion of unanimity. Finally, some become mind guards, shielding the group from contradictory information. These symptoms can lead to disastrous decision-making outcomes. Important alternatives are often overlooked. Groups fail to consider risks. Information searches become poor and selective, neglecting crucial data. There's a failure to develop contingency plans. So, how do we prevent groupthink from creeping in? Encouraging critical evaluation is essential. Dissenting views should be welcomed. Assigning a devil's advocate can ignite necessary discussion. Seeking outside opinions brings fresh perspectives. Dividing into smaller subgroups can promote different viewpoints. Using anonymous voting helps gather honest insights. Lastly, leaders should remain impartial to ensure all voices are heard. In summary, groupthink can jeopardize effective decision-making. Recognizing its symptoms is the first step. Encouraging open dialogue and diverse opinions can combat this issue. Want to make better decisions? Start fostering open discussions in your team today. Don't let groupthink derail your progress.